Sai Ram. I don't know why Swami wanted me to sing this now, and I don't know the lyrics. If I forget the lyrics, I'm sorry. And Swami has told me not to edit in between. If I forget, if I cough, if I sneeze, Swami told no editing in Vibes of Sai. Vibes of Sai is not for editing and to make money. Oh, so I'm trying to make, because today, not today, from 2 days, I'm terribly upset and devastated by some problem, some issue. Perfectly alright, health-wise I'm perfectly alright. Some devastated. I'm devastated by some people's behavior, which Swami must have understood, and Swami doesn't want me to go into depression or some upset mind. That's the reason Swami told me to sing this song. I'm making a trial for it. Okay, let us go for it. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham Brahma, soham Vishnu, soham Brahma, soham Vishnu, soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham Atma, Shiva Paramatma. I melt here. Soham Atma, Shiva Paramatma. Brahmanand se hridaya karo. Soham Atma, Shiva Paramatma. Brahmanand se hridaya karo. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham Sai, smaran karo. Soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham, soham, dhyan karo. Soham Brahma, soham Vishnu, soham Brahma, soham Vishnu, soham Sai, dhyan karo. Soham Atma, soham Atma, Shiva Paramatma. Soham Atma, Shiva Paramatma. Brahmanand se hridaya karo. Brahmanand se hridaya karo. Soham, soham. Thank you, Swami. All who has hurt me and put me down and let me down, Swami, it's all under your feet, on your feet, Lotus Feet Baba. Thank you so much, Swami. Guiding me so nicely, Swami. Thank you, Swami.